We're at the Clackamas County Fairgrounds, volunteering to help set up the Christmas tree and some other things for 4 hours here for some tickets to the Christmas fair. And yeah, get this thing done. I'm taking all these pieces, branches and stuff, laying them out here, getting them all ready, so he can hang them up on the tree, and they're all wired to this frame. Electronically, you can adjust the lights. So yeah, this will be fun. Well, I've got all the branches sorted out here, ready to hand them off to Jason here, working up in the left. The tree topper was already on, I believe, and then there were 8 red stemmed branches that have to go up just underneath that, and then the rest are just the basic, what I call the rusty branches, the brown inserts, long cords. This tree's programmable, can change every single individual light to a different color. So yeah, volunteering out here at the Clackamas County Fairground, having a grand old time. Volunteer work at Clackamas County, putting the Christmas tree together. All the branches laid out, waiting for Jason. Get them all plugged in and get it all set up. So there it is, almost all the branches are on, leaving the access hole for the control board there, but you got the spaghetti monster hanging down with all the electrical and everything. So yeah, Jason did a bang up job, man. Look at that. Woohoo! Hope it works. So I'm out here volunteering at Clackamas County Fairgrounds for the Winterfest show, etc., building square arches out of PVC pipe. We got one here, one down there at the end of this gray fence. I've got 4 more made, and then they're putting up a round archway down there. Jeremy, one of the maintenance guys, another volunteer, I think it's Ernie, I forget, but yeah, getting it done.
Pretty good.
And we got a lighting tunnel we just put up here at the fairgrounds for the winter show, Christmas, etc. Yeah, just doing some volunteer work, helping them out here, getting things done. There's the arena, bull chutes and everything, the stadium, bleachers and such. Getting it ready. It's got square light arches over here for a light tunnel, and then over here on the other end, round arches for the light tunnel. Clackamas County Fairgrounds, volunteering for the day, helping them out, getting this all set up. And over there's a Christmas tree. Guys on a JLG, they got to get all the branches to fill in all the holes and stuff, but help them put that together earlier. You'll see that video, so good to go.